Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Instagram two-factor authentication with Authenticator app, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Log into your account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. In your profile, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the menu. Select Settings from the menu options. In the Settings menu, look for Security and tap on it. Under the Security section, find Two-Factor Authentication. Tap on Two-Factor Authentication to open the options. You'll see a prompt to enable two-factor authentication. Tap on Get Started to begin the setup process. You will be presented with two options, text message and authentication app. Select Authentication app. Next, you may need to download an Authenticator app if you haven't already. Popular options include Google Authenticator and Authy, which are available on both iOS and Android. Once you have the Authenticator app installed, go back to the Instagram app. Instagram will show you a QR code to scan. Open your Authenticator app and select the option to add a new account. Use the app to scan the QR code displayed on Instagram. After scanning, your Authenticator app will generate a 6-digit verification code. Return to the Instagram app and enter this verification code. Once you enter the code, tap Next. Instagram will confirm that two-factor authentication has been enabled successfully. For added backup, make sure to note down the backup codes provided. Store these backup codes in a safe place. Your Instagram account is now more secure with two-factor authentication enabled using the Authenticator app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.